Sean "Diddy" Combs' legal woes have taken a dramatic turn, with his sons now implicated in the ongoing investigation. Christian, Quincy, and Justin Combs are reportedly suspects in a criminal organization linked to their father's sex trafficking case, with at least 2 of them expected to be named in the upcoming superseding indictment. This development adds another layer of complexity to Diddy's already precarious legal situation. The FBI is closely monitoring the actions of his sons, whose recent confrontation with Ray J has reportedly worsened their father's chances of being granted bail. The altercation, which took place outside Terra Electra's unruly agency Halloween bash in Los Angeles, stemmed from Ray J's public criticism of Diddy and his alleged involvement in the sex trafficking case. Ray J's manager claims that he is demanding an apology from Diddy's sons and is 100% cooperating with federal investigators, a statement that allegedly triggered the heated exchange. The confrontation reportedly involved a face-off between the 2 parties, with Diddy's sons surrounding Ray J and exchanging heated words. The situation nearly escalated into a physical altercation, but was ultimately de-escalated by an unexpected intervention from Chris Brown. Terra Electra, the host of the party, expressed her disappointment over the incident, calling it unfortunate and unnecessary. She emphasized that the Halloween party was not the appropriate time or place for such a confrontation. The involvement of Diddy's sons in the investigation further complicates his legal battle and raises questions about the extent of their alleged involvement in the criminal organization. The FBI's scrutiny and the potential charges against his sons could significantly impact Diddy's case and jeopardize his chances of securing bail. This unfolding drama highlights the far-reaching consequences of Diddy's legal troubles, with his family now caught in the crossfire. The confrontation with Ray J and the potential charges against his sons add another layer of complexity to an already high-stakes legal battle.